Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn to draw capital letters alphabets. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets. And first I draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. The alphabets of A. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. It's neither C. C for cat, C for car, and here is yellow color. The alphabets of C. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. It's neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and here is blue color. The alphabets of E. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. It's neither G. G for God, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. And here is green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.